All right, well, I figured might as well give a few updates on this 4455. First one, it's got the old man step in it. There's the old one. Somebody wants it, 75 bucks. There it is. Then it's got a new interior kit in it. For the most part, well, I think it's done. Me and my uncle finished this up here tonight. He put the planter monitor in here so to go back on the planter. So yeah, it's got all new, I don't know, videos might not have showed it, but this interior was rough. It was rough. For only supposedly 4,262 hours, it sure has been run through the ringer. So yeah, so it's got a new interior kit, planter monitors in. It's got the old people step, as we call it. So yeah, this thing is probably ready to roll. He said tomorrow we'll pull the duals off. I need to charge my GoPro up and have it set up for that tomorrow. So yeah, duals come off tomorrow, and we'll probably put a planter in here before the weekend, hopefully. He hasn't really said what all the planter needs to do, so we'll just go from there. But yeah, there's a little update on 4455. And it's like 75 some degrees out here. It's warm. Yeah, everything's nice and green. We still got that disc here. Don't know if it'll be used or not, but we may end up using the neighbor's little 12-foot Case International. Not the one we used this past spring, but the other neighbor, the tobacco farmer. Maybe. Might be. So anyway, here we go.